This is Digivation Network.
The internet is a vibrant ecosystem. The power of the internet to educate, inform, influence, and propel people to act has never been as effective and mind-blowing as in this past decade. On this thought-provoking note, I warmly welcome you to Digivation Network, Africa's leading ICT, business, lifestyle and innovation program on television. I am Adaze Okiaine, and I'm standing in for the regular anchor by Rachael Oniga.
My name is Gideon Tubiloba. I'm here to talk to you about the internet. The internet, or the World Wide Web, has redefined the world from security to commerce, financial services, governance, and entrepreneurship. The internet is now a major drive. This is why the Center for Cyber Awareness and Development, CECAD, and Cyber Africa Magazine and partners brings you the World Internet Day, a day to celebrate the world invention, its impact and role in world governance. Join us at the prestigious Radisson Blu Ikeja. Date for participation, log on to www.cecad.org.ng and www.digivationnetwork.com. Better still call World Wide Web Day, a celebration of the evolution of internet. Join us.
Thanks for staying with us. To be a part of this show, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/DGVasionNetwork for exciting videos and reports, and follow us on all our social media handles for our weekly quiz and to win prizes. As 4G and 5G coverage increases, more Forex traders around the world have access to secular buying and selling platforms. With technology, Forex buying and selling has evolved with a changing technological landscape. In our special report this week, we observe the impact of technology on Forex trading. Computer Village, sometimes called the Silicon Valley of Africa, is a beehive of activities with millions of people trooping in and out for various transactions. In Inside Computer Village segment this week, we take a critical look at just how much revenue is generated daily by traders in the Lagos Computer Village. But first, let's catch up with the trending issues that made news this week.
Hello, I am Rachael Oniga. Welcome you to this new ride, a digital ride that takes you into the lifestyle experience of innovation, tech impact, and new business frontiers. This is Digivation Network. On a weekly basis, we keep you well informed of developments and trends. Now the tech ecosystem is impacting politics, business, public and private enterprise management, plus how the new digital life can transform your business. I am Rachael Oniga. Join us.
Ghana has become the first West African country to conduct the first fully digital census. The National Housing and Population Census is to capture the exact number of Ghanaians for better national development. Peter Taki Pepra, the Field Operations Manager at the Ghana Statistics Service, said the digital census would deliver accurate and efficient results. Ghana's last census took place in 2010 and puts the nation's population at 24.6 million. This census was scheduled to hold in 2020 but was postponed due to the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. Over 67,000 field enumerators have been equipped with digital tablets and deployed for data collection in the popular West African country. The government is said to have budgeted $84 million for this 2021 digital census, around 50% more than the last census. Other countries that have adopted the digital census include Kenya, Swaziland, and Malawi.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/DGVasionNetwork. Coming right up is DigiTech Tips. Have you ever tried logging into your Instagram account but are unable to? Instagram is one of the highest trafficked social media platforms, but more often than not, many people's Instagram accounts get hacked. Let's join Folawewo Ayeni as she tells us how to protect your Instagram account from being hacked. Over to Fola.
Hello everyone. I know some of us have at one point seen messages on our Instagram feeds which reads, "Hold account hack, follow my new account," or I discovered that you cannot log into your Instagram account because it has been hacked. Today, I will be helping you ensure that never happens again by showing you how to secure your Instagram account by setting up the two-factor authentication using your mobile number. So to do that, the first thing to do is to open your Instagram app on your device. Then go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select the three horizontal lines icon in the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, select Security. Under the Login Security, tap the two-factor authentication. Select Get Started. Then select Text Message. While you do this, ensure the phone number you used in opening your Instagram account is handy because that is the number the code will be sent to. Next, enter the code sent to your phone and then select Next. Once you enter the correct code sent to your device, your two-factor authentication will be activated by Instagram. Instagram will also give you a list of codes you can use when you don't have access to your phone. So be sure to take a screenshot, write it down, or save to your email so you can always have access to it. I'm glad I'm able to help you secure your Instagram account. For more informative and educative videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/Digivation Network. I am Falawewa Ayeni. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for staying with us. That was Fola giving us tips on how to protect your Instagram account. You're still watching Digivation Network. I am Adaze Okeaine. Nigerians and Nollywood was thrown into shock over the weekend when news of the passing on of a veteran actress, Rachael Oniga, was announced. She was a versatile and household name in the movie industry in Nigeria. Up next is a tribute to Rachael Oniga.
Make sure say you are Shiva. Not be money. I go look for the money. You hear? Make you not cry.
Rachael Oniga was a popular veteran Nollywood actress. She was born in Lagos on the 23rd of May 1957 and began her acting career in 1993. She broke into the limelight in a 1996 hit movie Onome and Memorial Hospital. Her role in the Yoruba classic movie Owo Blow soon made her a household name and regular feature in English and Yoruba movies. The legendary actress was well known for her role in notable Nigerian movies including Out of Bounds, Dr. Bello, Chief Daddy, The Royal Hibiscus Hotel, Wale Adenuga's Super Story, and more recently, My Village People. Her Nollywood colleagues took to their social media platforms to pay tribute to the deceased and also spoke with Digivation Network.
Very sad, really sad indeed. I actually had a lot of engagement with her, right from my formative years, in the industry up until like last 2-3 months or so. Yeah, so it's really sad. She's in her prime, all right, in the industry. When I mean prime, she's one of those very few legendary actresses that cut across, the genre of the industry. Okay, so she could function in the multilingual perspective. She could also function on the stage and on the screen. I felt so pained. I've shared 1 or 2 pictures on my social media platform, to show that, oh, come on, this is really sad. Too early to lose our legendaries, that you have a lot to share with. One of those people I'm sure will really miss her would be Uncle Jide Kosoko, because, they pay them a lot because of their maybe complexion and their artistry excellence. There's a way both of them just align. In fact, I'm sure they played more husband and wife than any other actor or actress. So I share that affinity with her so much, and I feel so pained.
I had this notion of her like she was a hard worker, she was very expressive as an actor, she was a fantastic performer, And my mother's hotel then, it was a place where actors used to come and lodge and film. So I used to see them a lot. I used to see her a lot. So she was always in my face. And then when I went to acting, I've done several projects. I remember this particular one where she played my my mother-in-law. Yeah, it was a series actually. Mary Maxine, and she played my mother-in-law, and she was just bent on making my life and living in hell in the movie, but we turned out to be friends. Several projects that we've worked on together, and so hearing that she's passed on it's a lot for the industry, because she was really dedicated. I'm not sure she got the accolades that she should have gotten, but I mean, as much as she should have gotten, because if you're talking about performance, she was a performer, early on set, things like that, kind to her younger actors, and, really accommodating. So yeah, basically that's about it.
For her movie career, she was a computer programmer and also worked briefly at Ascoline Nigeria Limited, a Dutch consultant company. She is survived by 3 children and several grandchildren. Rachael Oniga was one of the A-list actresses in Nollywood and continued acting till about a week to her demise. She died at the age of 64 from a heart-related issue. The prolific actress leaves behind a legacy of originality, dedication, hard work, and professionalism. Indeed, Rachael Oniga and her immense contributions to the largest movie industry in Africa will be greatly missed. A sad one there. That was a tribute to one of the A-list actresses of the 90s, Rachael Oniga. The ability to envisage adjustments in the market is the biggest advantage for monetary traders. In our special report this week, we bring you the impact of technology in Forex trading. Let's watch this.
The impact of technology on our reality is inestimably significant, and some may say incomprehensible. Outside our own lives, it keeps on changing industries and global markets at a fast pace each and every day. Foreign exchange trading, or Forex trading as it is popularly called, is one of those markets that are evolving with groundbreaking advancement. In Nigeria, only a fragment of our population traded Forex over a decade ago. But fast forward to today, and there is a consequential rise in the number of people trading Forex, and technology, of course, has a monumental role to play in this upsurge. With the availability of faster internet, smartphones, and access to numerous applications and trading tools like copy trading, trade journal, Forex calculator, charting software, among others, the process of trading Forex has somewhat been simplified.
Before, you need to do everything on your what we call laptop or your desktop. That is, go to their website www.so brokers name, and then you download the trading tool called the MetaTrader 4. It's from there you will go to their office with your laptop. They will now configure for you. But in the existence and the introduction of internet, and then other internet providers, everything started coming up. We could download app from at the comfort of our app store, Play Store, and with that, the broker will just put things on their website that these are the steps to go through. Download this, do that, and that has made everybody it's more simplified now. Anybody anywhere in Nigeria that has that have a phone that can download what we call maybe Telegram, WhatsApp, they can also be part of Forex now, because you just download the MetaTrader 4 and you see the step-by-step of how to do it yourself. But those that don't really know how to grab it by themselves, there are those that go to an institution to learn.
As technology continues to aid the spread of this market, which was once seen as a field for an exclusive class, more people across various demography are beginning to key into Forex trading, as it has become more accessible and is also seen as an avenue for an alternative source of income. But a pertinent question to be answered is how well do most people who hop into this unregulated market really understand it?
One of the reasons why you have a lot of misconceptions in the forex market in Nigeria is because forex trading market, the CFD market, let me put it that way, in Nigeria is because CFD is not yet regulated in Nigeria. CFD trading is not yet regulated in Nigeria. Efforts are being made to get it regulated. People do not have adequate knowledge about what assets they are really trading. They don't have adequate knowledge about the market, that it is speculation, it is not investment really, if we want to break it down. It is speculation. Speculation has high risk, short term, and high potential returns. Not high returns, high potential returns, because you can actually lose your entire capital in this market. The leverage itself in forex trading is another issue. The reason why people can easily lose their funds is because of the huge leverage. So all of these are things people need to understand. And the structure of the market, the price structure in the market, the slippage and all of those things, the cost of trading, you need to factor all of this into what you do and try to get knowledge. The basic thing is for people to get adequate knowledge.
As with any market with tremendous potential, the forex trading space is witnessing an influx of brokers and forex academies across the nation, flooding the media space with heavy, attractive campaigns, which has created a challenge for people to choose which of these companies are legitimate or not.
People have gone to learn forex through the wrong channel, maybe through backdoor. Someone crammed something. Most Nigerians, because of the hunger on the land, they want to actually collect money. You know, that maybe it's just to read something. It's one thing to know how to trade, it's another thing to know how to train it or to teach it the right way.
I've been losing because I want to I'm learning it. I haven't seen a suitable place to learn it. But last week, when I overheard it on the radio, my son just said, "Mommy, they are teaching forex, they are making advert for it." I said, He now gave me the radio. I started listening. Immediately, I said, "Please copy the number. I want to come and learn." And when I came to this place and see how they are piecing it from ABC, I said, this is where I'm supposed to be.
Irrespective of some of these challenges facing the growing market, there is no doubt that with the proper knowledge, training, and adequate information, forex trading is indeed of immense benefit. And thanks to technology, the future of forex trading is immeasurable, as robots and artificial intelligence will aid data analysis, speed of execution, and security.
Technology will keep improving forex trading. We keep adding value to forex trading. Maybe copy trade will become easier. Maybe we are going to have better platforms. Okay, maybe execution will get better. The speed of execution maybe will improve. Maybe security-wise, security of funds can also improve and all of that. So all I can say is technology will surely improve what we do because it's an online business. We don't do paperwork. We don't do anything. We don't have good stock anywhere and all of that. So it is purely a business that is internet dependent. It's technology dependent. So I believe technology will continue to improve what we do. It will continue to improve what we do. That's all I can say.
This is Digivation Network.
Thanks for staying with us. That was our special report. If you're just joining us, this is Digivation Network. Please check out our YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/Digivation Network, for more reports and informative videos. Up next is Inside Computer Village with Gideon Tobiloba. This week, we decided to test the knowledge of the revenue generated daily from the biggest computer accessories hub in Africa. Let's go to Computer Village, Ikeja, Lagos, and hear from Toby.
All right, thank you, Adaze. My name is Gideon Tobiloba. This is another segment of Inside Computer Village. Today, we are in Computer Village, Ikeja. We want to know how much the traders here know about these markets. We want to know precisely how much this market generates on a daily basis. Join us on this ride.
Wow, that question is not an easy one anyway, but it doesn't have a specific answer because computer village it's a wide market and it's comprised of a lot of things. There are people that sell phones, laptops, computer accessories you can see here, and some other equipment and machines you can talk of. So, from my own evaluation, I can say definitely to running into multiples of millions to billions. Let's say I don't really think there's how I can be specific with this, but let's say from 700 million and above.
Let me just say 50 to 60 million. 50 to 60 million every day in the market.
Well, computer village, if I am white sure, I think computer village is the biggest IT market in Africa. And I can publicly say that roughly like 100 million on daily basis, as in general.
We buy and sell IT equipment, IT parts like screens and phones. I think those are the aspects where the real money is, you know, and also laptops and other things too, you know, those that have the money to import and export. So everything can be summed up to like 100 and something or 200 per day.
Wow, those are very interesting views so far. You know, people talking about making 50 to 60 million in a market as big as Computer Village Ikeja. I'm very sure that you too are willing to know how much this market makes on a daily basis. But before I reveal that, let us listen to more opinions from more traders in the markets.
Wow, how much you generate here? That would take a lot of statistics to be able to figure that out. But with no statistics at all, I can say in the range of above 100 million.
Well, you know, this is one of the largest market in West Africa. Many people comes in and goes out. I wouldn't know, but close to 100 million daily.
Wow, that's a large question, but I think, my honest way, I think Computer Village is over $1 billion on a daily basis. They generate a lot of money. There's a lot of things going on here. They generate more than $1 billion. This Computer Village.
All right, we've heard from the traders. We talked with their massive experiences in this market. Some have used more than 5 years, some more than 10 years in this market. Some say they make 100 million generally on a daily basis in this market. Some believe that what they make is around 700 million and upwards. But according to records, we can authoritatively tell you that this market makes 1.5 billion naira on the average on a daily basis. That is how much this market makes. That shows that this market is a very massive market and they need more support from both the private and public sector so that they can do more in generating more revenue for the government. On this note, I put a curtain on this segment today. My name remains Gideon Toglova. Back to you, Adaze.
Interesting bit of information there. Who knew Computer Village churns out millions of naira in revenue daily? That was Inside Computer Village with Gideon Tobiloba.
Hello, I'm Mojisola Alabi. I urge you to join us at the World Wide Web Day 2021 celebration. The World Wide Web has redefined the world from security to e-commerce, financial services, governance, and of course, entrepreneurship. This is why the Center for Cyber Awareness and Development, CECAD, and Cyber Africa Magazine and other partners brings you the World Wide Web Day celebration, a day to celebrate the web invention, its impact, and the role in the world of governance. Join us at the prestigious Radisson Blu Hotel GRA Ikeja, date 9th August 2021. For participation, log on to www.cecad.com. CECAD.org.ng and www.digivationnetwork.com. Better still, call. Let's hook up at the event. You will be proud you did. Join us.
This is Digivation Network.
Thanks for staying with us. On that note, we wrap up the show for this week. To watch a replay of this show, please go to www.youtube.com/Digivation Network to see it and many other reports. You can also reach us on our social media platforms displayed on your screen. On behalf of the regular anchor of the show, Bayero Agabi, thank you for watching. My name is Adaze Okiya Ine. Join us again next week. Stay safe.